Hello class, welcome to your Math 8 remote learning. We will be talking and discussing about simplifying quadratics and operations with quadratics. So this is going to go with just combining quadratics together. And when I mean putting your like terms together. So I'm going to show you how this is done. Please take out pencil paper so you can take notes on anything that you need to take notes on. So to add polynomials or to add these equations together, you need to put each of the like terms on top of each other and combine like terms. This is called the vertical method. So just aligning the like terms together. So as you can see, when you align the like terms together, here, you are aligning them with its like terms. But if you see here where it says x to the fifth power, there is no like term. We're just going to put 0 in those spaces, okay? So 0 plus x to the fifth power will remain as x to the fifth power. 5x plus 0 remain, and it's still positive. So we're going to leave the x to the fifth power positive. And this is also positive. So, and then 3x squared plus 2x squared gives us 5x squared. And then this is also positive, so we're going to leave it as positive. And then you have 4x cubed plus x cubed, which is 5x cubed. And basically, adding is just that simple. So once you line them up, you add them, put zeros into the spaces that are empty, and you just add the numbers right up straight through, okay? On your next slide, I have one that I'm gonna do with you that's not already preset up. So you have 5x to the fifth plus 3x to the fourth minus 6x cubed. And if you look in the second equation, there's no other one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and my plus sign. And then this will be 2x to the fifth. And 5x cubed is here. We'll go under its like term, and that's positive. So in the middle, I know this will be 0, okay? So negative 6 plus 5 would give me negative 1x cubed. 3x to the fourth plus 0 will give me 3x to the fourth. And then 5x to the fifth plus 2x to the fifth will give me 7x to the fifth. And as a habit, I always do my equations going from left to right. That's just something that I always do. So just to see the numbers, okay? All right, now we're going to go into subtracting. So when you subtract the polynomials, you line up the like terms as you did in addition, but change the operation of each polynomial that you are subtracting. We'll go over this, and once again, you're going to line them up and combine the like terms. So what does this look like? So here you have 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x minus x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x. Now, this minus sign literally tells us that everything in the second equation will have an opposite operation. So if I was to rewrite this, I would have 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x, and then the opposite sign would be my x cubed, which is positive, will now be negative x cubed. My 2x squared, which was positive, will now become negative x squared. It's still lined up with its like term. And then my 3x, which was positive, will now become minus 3x. And if you just do the math going straight down. So 5x minus 3x, we have 2x. 4x squared minus 2x squared, you have well, this is a positive 2x, so don't forget your sign. 4x squared minus 2x is a positive 2x squared. And then 3x cubed minus x cubed leaves us 2x cubed. That is a simplified or version of this expression or polynomial. Okay. Your next here, once again, I'm going to line them up. 2n squared minus n plus 9. And then my minus sign here. I always add parentheses so it's not confusing. Plus 8n plus 3. So once again, the second equation will be switched. I'm going to rewrite that so I can get all of this on the screen for you here. Because of course, I'm not going to be as big as I write sometimes. 2n squared minus n plus 9 minus negative 2n squared plus 8n plus 3. And so the rewrite here, this will stay the same up top, 2n squared minus n plus 9. The rewrite would be everything that's next to that right here, everything that's behind here will now become its opposite sign. So negatives, this subtract, negative 2n squared will now become positive 2n squared. Positive 8n will now become negative 8n. And positive 3 will now become negative 3. And you just do the math. So 9 minus 3 is 6. It's a positive 6. Negative n minus 8n will leave us negative 9n. And 2n squared plus 2n squared gives us 4n squared. There go your equation. And your expression simplified. Okay? So once again, line them up and do the math. All right. Now we're going into multiplying these polynomials or expressions. Now this is pretty simple. You don't have to do too much if you can distribute. So the distributive property, and we rewrite distributing the monomial to each term of the polynomial. Second step, multiply the coefficients. Third, add the exponents. And so in multiplying, you're adding the exponents. And write a standard form. And standard form is from the highest degree to the lowest degree. So when you write it, you would have the highest degree or highest exponent down to the lowest exponent. So with that being said, let's take a look at this example that we have here. I have the answer already on the bottom here, but I'm going to show you how to get to this answer. So you would take 5x plus 6. So once again, it's about distributing. So I'm going to distribute this 5 and I'm going to multiply by everything in the next parentheses. So now I have 5x plus 30. Okay, and that's exactly what we have down here. That's all you have to do. All right. Your next equation, we have x squared, x plus 6. So once again, you will be distributing your x squared by everything inside the parentheses. So you have to add the exponents. Although there's no exponent here, on the second x here inside the x plus 1, it will be x cubed plus 6x squared. And that's all you have to do. Okay? Here, you take a look at this. Once again, All you're doing is distributing. This is a pretty simple lesson for most. Okay, so it'd be you're distributing your number, so it'd be negative 2x to the third. And since negative 2 times negative 4, it will be positive 8x squared because you're multiplying. And then, so you have to add the exponent. So x plus x is 2x, is x squared. And negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 4x. Sorry. And that's how you would complete this problem here. Okay. Now, with that being said, this is another example that when you see it, once again, you distribute everything within the parentheses. So you have 2x plus 5 and x plus 6. So you would multiply 2x times x is 2x squared. You have 2x squared and then plus 12x. And then here you would have to multiply again. You have 5x plus 30. Okay, so here you have to combine like terms. So you have 2x squared plus 17x plus 30. Okay, and that's how you would do such a problem like this. And I forgot my arrow. Okay, your next, and that'll be it. So once again, please, if you have to stop, pause, or anything with this PowerPoint, please do so. This PowerPoint is to benefit you. It's not to, it's meant to help you. I have also attached some Khan Academy videos to help you through this. I am available on my Zoom times, 10:30 and 1:30, Monday through Friday. And I look forward to seeing your progress and your work. All right. Have a good weekend or a good week. And I look forward to seeing you guys.